Spider's Web, and in this video we're having an unboxing. Now before we get into the unboxing itself, I want to just remind everybody the prizes for our 1,000 subscriber competition, or 1,000 subscriber giveaway. There's a reason for this. First one is going to be a set of Kings of War wraiths, a set of Kings of War mummies, and the reason why I'm doing this is because the third one is a set of Revenants. This is the set that we're going to be giving away. As you can see, there is tape over the edge. It is sealed, but the subject matter for this video is this box of wraiths, which is one I got for Christmas off my daughter. So we're going to open this now and have a look at what's inside. But not just the wraiths, not just the Revenants. We're also going to be having a look at Reaver Infantry as well. Okay, so let's get down to the table and see exactly what's inside these two boxes, shall we? Okay, so here we are with the Revenant Regiment. You get 20 figures in this, and as you can see on the back, there isn't any mantic points, but if we open up, you'll find a sheet of stickers, and we have a mantic point there. Okay, I don't know why they're giving us elf stickers for Undead Revenants, but not to worry. And in mine we also have another couple of sets. I hadn't realised they were there. So we have 3. Well, in this one I have 3. I'm hoping you get exactly the same in the sets that I'll be giving away. But there we are. So I'll just pop them to one side. And we've got our usual set of bases. And there we are, we have 20 of those. And we also have now our sprues. We get 2 sprues. Let's see if I can bring this light a little bit closer to illuminate a little more. Now, as you can see, the leg and the lower back is on one model, or one part, and then the upper torso is on a second part. Some have heads attached, others don't. You have to add the head separate. We have lots of multiple options for weaponry and heads, and we also have, if you can see that there, we have a dwarf head that you can just pop on the ground to look as though it's been chopped off. So that's what we have on the sprues. We also have the obligatory giant undead rats, and we have a couple of other pieces that we could use here. That one is for the body coming out of the ground, and that is just a little bit of scatter terrain, which is like a bit of, you could use it as like an objective marker, that kind of thing. And we have a gravestone as well. We also have an axe there, I think it is. Is it an axe? The only thing I cannot see on this as yet, unless it's on the next one. In fact, let's go over to the next sprue and see if it's on here. And yes, it is. The banner pole is there. The musician's horn is there. We have the battered banner, and there we are. We have more leg options and body options here, as you can see. So that is what you'll find inside the Revenant box. Now, as I said, we have another box to open as well, and this is the new Undead Soul Reaver Infantry. These are metal models. I know that because when I was given them, I opened them, and we have another sticker sheet of mantic points. We have another set of bases there, and now we have the different body parts. There we go. Now, as I say, it's a metal kit, as you can probably see. So obviously you're going to need super glue to attach this together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 bodies. And we have arms and weapon options such as axes, swords, and is that it? Just axes and swords, yep. There we go, so the axes are so I found 2 swords that are left hand weapons, 2 swords that are right hand weapons. The axe is I found left hand weapons, and we have another 2 axes, another 2 swords which again are left hand weapons, and we have hands here, or arms. Have a look, because no, the axes are double-handed. Hadn't seen that on them. If you look closely there, you will see that 2-handed axe. So these will go like so on either side of the body. So but you can have them as carrying double swords or a 2-handed axe. And the axes, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. You get 3 each with the swords. Sorry, no, you get 4 left hand swords and 2 right hand swords. So you have a nice mix of weaponry for this set. Obviously going to take a little bit of gluing to get done, and I can imagine that this fella, in fact no, I wouldn't say that fella, I would say that one of these fellas here would be the leader, as the head is unhelmed. So we would have a sword held up like so, and another one crossed swords. I suppose I could even raise a hand there. I don't know. I'll find some way of doing this, but there we are. That's the 2 Undead sets that I got off my daughter for Christmas. We have the Revenants and the Soul Reaver Infantry. We have Soul Reaver Cavalry already to be painted. They will be coming up shortly, and also we have the we have these to do, and we also have the Forces of the Abyss that need painting as well. So we've got some videos to come for the Kings of War, both Undead and Forces of the Abyss factions. But that's it for this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.